Renegade, renegade.
Hey, Brett.
That was my best one yet.
Have you made another video lesson this week?
I just made one last week.
But your video from last week already has 15 views.
15 views? Already? Bro, stop playing.
I'm not playing, bro.
Well, I guess I'll have to make another video lesson then. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Man, in this next video lesson, it's gonna be lit, fam. Let's go. Hey guys, so in last week's lessons, you learned a little bit about what equations were and how to see if something is a solution of an equation. But in this week's video lessons, you're gonna actually learn how to solve an equation. Doesn't that sound fun? All right, let's give it a shot. All right, guys, before we jump into an example problem, let's talk about a quick vocab word that you need to know. So the vocab word is inverse, and all it means is opposite. So when we use that word, it means opposite. So example 1, b minus 20 equals 16. So that means some mystery number, when you subtract 20 from it, you get 16. Oh man, so it says minus 20. So when we're solving mysteries, we like to retrace our steps, right? So what's the opposite or inverse of subtracting 20? That's right, adding 20. So I'm gonna draw a line down my equal sign. That's important to do so we can split up our equation. So instead of subtracting 20, I'm actually gonna add 20 to both sides. Cool. So when I add 20 to this side, I'm getting rid of the subtracting 20. So now the only thing that's left is this variable b. Okay. So then 16 plus 20 over here, that's 36. So I think the answer is b equals 36. Let's substitute it back in and see if we're right. 36 minus 20. Oh my gosh, that does equal 16. So 36 is the answer. Cool. Example 2. So this one says Q plus 704 equals 872. Whoa, those are big numbers, but I still think we can do it. So I'm going to draw my line. Now, this says Q was added by 704. So that means we should actually do the inverse or opposite and subtract both sides by 704. Because we want to undo this addition. So now when we subtract 704 from this side, the only thing that's left is Q. And then we have to do this subtraction over here. Oh boy, looks like I have to borrow. 6, 12, that's 8, that's 6, and then that's 1. So it looks like in this problem, Q equals 168. And then I can plug it back in if I want. 168 plus 704, that's going to equal 872. So I know I'm right. Okay. All right, guys, last example before you try some on your own. So this one says 13 equals a plus 6.1. That means there's some mystery number that when you add 6.1 to it, you get 13. Oh man, I definitely can't do this one in my head. There's a decimal involved. So I'm going to draw a line to split up my equation. So like, what's the opposite of adding 6.1? That's right, subtracting 6.1. So I'm going to subtract 6.1 from this side. I'm going to subtract 6.1 from this side, making sure to line up my decimals. Oh man, it's been a while since I had to do that. So now, when I subtract it from this side, these two things cancel out, and the only thing left is a. And then I can do the decimal subtraction over here. Gotta borrow again. Man, borrow central over here. 10 minus 1 is 9. Bring down my decimal. Can't do 2 minus 6, so I can borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. So that means I think my answer is A equals 6.9. Hey guys, I hope those examples helped. So remember, you're doing the opposite or the inverse of the operation in the problem. So if there's addition in a problem, you're actually doing subtraction to find the answer. Please message us on Schoology if you have any questions. We are available to help. Good luck, guys. Bye.